So simulation lab is interesting. It's where you have a mannequin that basically has some sort of computer capabilities, and they set up an actual situation or scenario where a patient has some sort of condition, and they create a team of nurses.
On simulation days, you'll come in, the professor will give a debriefing, and you'll get kind of a background history on what's going on with the patient. Everyone will be assigned roles, and from there it's kind of you go in and you would treat them just like you would a real patient and kind of work through what you would do to treat a patient with those health issues.
Some of us are observing and writing notes like what the team could have done better, and then the others are actually performing the tasks. We get limited information, and then things kind of progress. Whoever's controlling the computer may suddenly have the patient start coughing or have the patient have heart issues, and it's up to us to kind of put together the proper plan of care. We communicate to the doctor, we administer medication.
And once you're done with simulation, everyone will meet together for an after huddle, and you'll go over what happened in the simulation, what went right, what went wrong, what other people observed.
And it's giving us the opportunity to really put that into practice in a safe environment where we all feel a little bit more comfortable trying things out for the first time.